Greetings, fellow crafters. Just wanted to do a quick post review of one of the pictures that I've done from our Everyday E-Deals orders. So, be right back. Okay, I kitted this up 2 days ago, went to bed, and then managed to do this in 2 days. I wasn't kidding when I said it was going to be quick. So this is a partial. It came from Everyday E-Deals. I've been calling it Bake It because the whole idea is life is what you bake it. I had some issues. I still have some issues. Like, I'm not sure why the butter needs to have a dark line here. That's a little weird. I was going to complain about the weird shading in here, but when I look at it from the distance in the camera, it actually kind of looks like it's wood grained. So, okay, I'll give them that. The really weird dark spots in the egg here is, I don't know. Some of these decisions make a little more sense. I'm still not sure what this is. Maybe it's a cookie? But, I mean, it looks okay, other than those things. It worked up really fast. I did have an issue down here with the adhesive. Like, literally there's about 9 drills here that are held on with 3M tape. 3M double-sided adhesive tape. Yes. It was this section right here. I cut out a tiny piece of it, made it fit in that area, and then drilled down on it because it had no adhesive there. I don't know why. It was fine until the last 5 or 6 here, and then it just decided it didn't want to work anymore. So there's that. Now this kit has no DMC numbers, so I don't know what I'm going to do with the drills. I probably will go through them with the DMC list because I'm anal that way. But life is what you bake it, and you get what you pay for. This was a cheap project, but it's cheaply made. It's not well charted. It was not well, the adhesive was not great on it. And yeah. Anywho, that's my thoughts. Thank you for joining me for this quick little post review. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Share it with other people who might be interested in ordering from Everyday E-Deals so that they have an idea what they're getting into. And I will see you in the next one. Keep it spooky, guys. Bye.